Hi. So I have created a resource in Monsha, for example, this reading passage here. And now I want to make some changes, make some formatting or editing before I export it into or PDF or whatever. So I have this edit button here. If I click on it, will open the editing mode. You can see this is on editing mode, and any change I make, for example, I add a space here and it shows I have unsaved changes. So after making all these changes, I can click on this save changes button or discard change from here, and also from here discard save. So this is a basic editor, but we have provided enough control to you to be able to make some high level changes before exporting. For example, you can, let's say this is a heading, so you can turn it into a normal text. You can turn it back to a heading 1 or heading 3 or 4, whatever. You can make something bold, italic, strike through. You can make it inline code. You can add any, let's say, table, and then add rows, columns to it. You can, so as you scroll down, you can see the editing buttons will be sticky and with you forever. So you can make some bullet points, numbered points, quote it, make it a code blocks. You can hyperlink anything and add your images from any link or from your computer. You can also add any line break here. You can add divider. You can also, if you want clear formatting on the selected items, you can anything you can do, you can undo, you can redo. And so once you are happy, you can just click on save and the changes will be saved.